Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lilly, and also known as Hungry Girl, here with Hungry Erin.
Hello.
Today we are here with another taste test. We are trying Hello Kitty limited edition Goldfish. We happen to have been shopping at the supermarket yesterday, and we found these strawberry shortcake Hello Kitty Be Your Very Best Goldfish. Smell this. Whoa, 140 calories for 31 pieces. Hold on.
Look at how cute it is.
Do you understand there's fish and cats? There's a fish. There's a cat. That really looks like Hello Kitty. We're gonna try these. If a graham cracker and a Nilla wafer and a strawberry had a baby, it would be this.
Yeah, I agree.
These are really good. What would we do with these? Crush them up, put them in yogurt, put them in oatmeal.
You could do like a little
ice cream
trail mix with them, like a little popcorn, little freeze-dried strawberries.
Yeah, it's like a little bit of a guilt-free snack, 140 calories for 31 of them. I really like these.
Me too.
Okay, thumbs up, Hello Kitty. By the way, did you know Hello Kitty is not a cat? Hello Kitty is a girl.
Really?
Look it up. All right, gotta go. Bye.